Are you looking for the best welding gloves? In this video we will look at some of the best welding gloves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Rapica 16 inches welding gloves. If you are in search of high quality welding gloves constructed out of leather material, then I am pretty sure that the Rapica forge will not disappoint you. In fact, upon conducting research about this product, I discovered that most welders consider it as the high-quality welding gloves in the market at present. What I love about it is that it works not only for TIG and MIG welding but also in other applications, like when you need to use a pair of gloves in a fireplace, oven, or stove. I am so satisfied with the fact that it is constructed out of a thick leather material, which is known for being flame resistant. It is even capable of withstanding extreme temperatures, even those that reach up to 500 degrees Celsius. Aside from being heat resistant, I am also greatly satisfied with the 100% soft cotton lining used in the gloves interiors. It is because I noticed how sweat absorbent it is. Another incredible benefit provided by this pair of gloves is its ability to make your forearms feel secure. It is extra long, so rest assured that your forearms will also receive full protection from a number of safety hazards, like hot cools. What we like: thick and durable, can withstand extreme temperatures, extra long, thereby offering protection up to your forearms, flame resistant and sweat absorbent. Reinforced padding. What we don't like: loose fitting on the interior lining. Number 2, Caiman American Deerskin Welding Glove. I would also like to introduce this 21-inch American Deerskin welding glove from Caiman. One strength of this welding glove is its length. It is long enough that it can offer superior and full coverage for your palms, wrists, and entire hands. It offers full coverage, protecting your hands from spatter, sparks, and heat. The length of these gloves makes it capable of protecting even up to your forearm. I am also happy to say that this pair of gloves is super comfortable. It is comfortable because of its recurved fingers and form-fitting shape that fit comfortably and naturally around your hand's shape. I also like the well-reinforced palms and wrist of these gloves. It has extra padding, which contributes a lot in making it more protective from splatter, sparks, and heat. The large patches and reinforcements added into the gloves make it capable of providing superior protection to your palms and wrists from various safety hazards. I am also glad to say that this glove features a special strap, which is helpful in ensuring that it does not slip down when you are working. With that, you are assured of the ability of the gloves to keep you protected the entire day. What we like: long enough to provide full protection, comfortable and form-fitting, features well-reinforced palms, does not slip down, thanks to its special strap, fireproof. What we don't like: the Kevlar stitching is prone to ripping. Number 3, Lincoln Electric Roll Cage Welding Gloves. Another protective pair of welding gloves is the Lincoln Electric Roll Cage. What I love about this pair is that it has a genuinely robust construction based on strong and sturdy grain cowhide. It also uses Kevlar thread for stitching while being improved with the aid of silicone knuckle protection, allowing it to handle tough situations and environments. I love the well-reinforced palm of this pair of gloves, too. Aside from the reinforcement, it also has leather patches designed to make the gloves even more protective and durable. I like the flexible and versatile design of this pair of gloves, too. I noticed its versatility upon seeing that I can use it not only in welding but also in handling materials and doing other jobs. It has well-stitched seams designed in such a way that it can prevent it from ripping and tearing. Another benefit I noticed in these gloves is that it features an internal hand liner, which offers protection from cut hazards. Furthermore, it is heat resistant and impact resistant. Another strength that I noticed about this pair of welding gloves is that it offers protection against impact. I discovered this benefit because of its high temperature silicone reinforcements. What we like: robust and strong construction, well reinforced, boosting its level of protection, highly flexible and versatile design, can resist impact and heat, can withstand various safety hazards, like spatter, sparks, and flames. What we don't like. Sizing is a bit off. Number 4. John Tillman and CO Tillman Large Welders Gloves. These welding gloves from John Tillman are great for those who are looking for a driver's glove feel from a MIG glove. The 50 liters provides comfort, durability, and an added level of protection with a rough outside, leather palm and fingers, and reinforced thumbs. The high-quality cowhide palms are reinforced and extremely thick to provide as much protection and heat resistance as possible. However, they remain very soft to provide the necessary flexibility to grip various objects. The split cowhide back is perhaps the most durable section of the glove, and it resists spatter and sparks. That is not to say that the rest of the glove is not durable, though. John Tillman merely wanted to pay special attention to an area of the hand that is often overlooked when creating work gloves. The inner fleece lining provides superior comfort when compared to many other welding gloves. It also adds extra heat and flame protection while maintaining a lightweight feel. These are the perfect gloves for both novices and professionals and can be used for more than just welding. They are suitable for grilling, wood fire cooking, oil pipelines, shipyards, manufacturing, and much more. Pros. Palm and back are totally heat resistant. Seamless forefinger enhances flexibility. Fleece lining improves comfort without feeling bulky. Winged thumb for better feel and gun grip. Palm, fingers, backs, and thumb strap reinforcement. Elastic back provides snug fit. 4-inch cuff for wrist protection. Cons. Only available in large size. Number 5. WZQH 16 inches Forge Welding Gloves. These are some very nice gloves best for all types of usages. You can use these leather gloves for baking and arc welding equally well. They are made out of premium leather and have a full cow split leather surface with a thickness depth of about 1.2 millimeters. They protect the thumb area, have palm reinforcements, and provide protection up to your elbow. They are heat resistant and are made to deal with various temperatures. But they are also made so they can survive wear and tear and last longer than others. The main thing about them is that they are very versatile. They are not only meant for welding protection, it is a product that can be used for any kind of work where you need to keep your hands safe. It has heat insulation, oil resistance, cut and puncture resistance, with the ability to protect your hands from welding heat of up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit 350 degrees Celsius. These gloves are also very soft. The seams are set in such a way so they combine with the padding to help you have complete control of what you are doing at high performance, while at all times keeping your palms soft. It has a good length as it goes above the cuff. The price point also needs to be mentioned here as they are not too expensive. Pros. Durable gun cut. Reinforced double leather. They promise that if there is an issue with gloves you can get a refund or replacement. Denim jean cuffs. Cons. One size fits all. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.